So a couple of things on basically application of this. So this is a very good question. Lorraine says, with Jim, what are some ways to change in a real way the negative thoughts and feelings that come to us? Okay. Well, first thing that we want to understand is it's a process. It's going to take some time. We can't expect key into the words I'm going to say here. We can't expect all of our thought patterns to change overnight. And it's going to take time and persistent effort. Doesn't have to be hard work. It's going to take effort, mental effort, to every day from here start by changing one thing. That's how things change internally, mentally, habits-wise. So I drew this stick figure diagram on the right-hand side because it's a wonderful question they have here. Remember a key thing here. It's going to really answer the question. I'm going to give you some exercises to do. Okay. We think thoughts in harmony with a paradigm. So good to remember, even if you've heard it from Bob, from myself, whoever it is. We think thoughts in harmony with the paradigm. And our paradigm is all these beliefs and behaviors and actions and habits and all this stuff, clump it all together in this stuff. So I put a little orange blob there. Some's very empowering, some is very incredibly disempowering. Now, most times, we don't want to judge ourselves, okay? We don't want to judge other people because we only have those paradigms. And on a dime, most people can figure out all the ways they can't do something. We should never criticize them, or if it's ourselves, for always on a negative, always in frustration, always in these things. Because if we were aware of how to change it, we would have changed it by now. That's why we get into coaching programs like this. So to become aware and to change it, right? So we're going to talk about how, but we want to basically go over one more principle here, okay? And the people around us, we can never judge their results. We can never judge anything about anybody else, including ourselves. That's why I want to introduce including ourselves, because this paradigm has control. We are more powerful than the paradigm. But in times of when you're tired and automatically doing things, the paradigm takes over. Now, how do we shift that paradigm? Through the repetition of an idea or an emotional impact, okay? Repetition of these ideas, that's why getting on these coaching sessions every week, over and over and over, listening to the same lesson in TIR over and over and over, listening to this until it becomes a mental thought pattern. Not until you know it, because if we watch one video over, we'd be like, oh, yeah, I already know all this stuff. Yeah, it's all good, right? Until we become mentally there on that level and habitually thinking about it. And so you wake up in the middle of the night at 4 a.m. and I ask you about what's the knowing doing gap. You should be able to just spit it out because it's in your mind as a thought pattern. Now, what do? Liz, you actually mentioned something in here that I really love. I would do this every day. Jim and Lorraine, do it together. Every day. For the next 60 days. 60 days is a long time. Every day. First thing in the morning, and it doesn't matter how busy it is, get up 5 minutes earlier. Go in immense gratitude with each other for 5 minutes every day, no matter what. Doesn't matter if you're on a vacation. Doesn't matter if the kids are running around all crazy. Doesn't matter. 5 minutes before anybody else wakes up in the morning. Gratitude. And that's all you want to do is out loud is something like this. You know, I'm really thankful that we have this wonderful home that's ours. That's unlike any other home. And we have stuff in it. We could sit down and we can sleep. Some soft pillows and stuff around us to comfort us. You know what else I'm grateful for? I'm grateful that we have electricity. I didn't come up with it. In fact, a light bulb, I didn't come up with that. And that's all I have to do is plug in a machine that I didn't make or design into a wall, and it powers on and cooks meals or lights up the room so I can see at night. And I'm just so grateful that People have spent their lives creating things for us and passed it on. So you could see how I kind of milked that, and I really went through the details of things. And I said, I just really am thankful. And you know, one more thing I'm going to say, you know what I'm really thankful for? I'm really thankful that out of everybody in the world, it's almost like I was chosen to empower myself and to learn how to change my mind. I don't know why everybody else hasn't woken up, but I have. And I'm so thankful that I am one of the individuals that has woken up to a new life possibility, woken up to knowledge and awareness and being open to getting and receiving help and knowledge, open to changing and believing in something different happening. And once each of you, it may be highly uncomfortable for the first 5 days. Maybe you never do this together. Okay. It'll improve your relationship dramatically anyways. It's probably already fantastic, but I'm saying this will dramatically improve things anyways, in all areas. Do gratitude, a couple of statements back and forth to each other, and just feel how good it feels to be in gratitude and thankfulness. You do it every day for 60 days. Your mental habits around every single subject in your life will change. Around money, around family, around relationships, around business. And when you're in that vibration, remember, feeling is vibration. When you're in the vibration of gratitude, you're connected to source, who you really are. And all good things will start to flow into your life based on that vibration. Doesn't matter where you are, how you're doing, anything that has happened or is happening, go to gratitude. Not a mind-blowing idea that people have not heard yet on this call, but sometimes a needed reminder for us.